Hello, this is Ian Scales from Telecom TV, and today I'm 20 kilometres south of Paris at Valaiso. This is where Alcatel-Lucent has its Bell Labs Open Day, and I'm going to spend the day looking around and seeing what they've got coming up. Bell Labs France is all about research and development, so if you want to get a feel for what's coming up in telecoms and networking, you could do worse than come to an open day here. So that's what we did. Outside there's an ongoing demonstration of a wind and solar powered base station, where a generator is used only as a backup. This is a real boon in many developing nations where mains power is just not available. The alternative is a constantly on diesel generator. Bad economics, bad for reliability, bad for the environment. Or how about the social e-book? Bell Labs is calling this an S-book. Think online book club using the iPad in this case. Members can share their enthusiasm for particular books by annotating the margins, without defacing the pages in this case, then sharing their thoughts with the rest of their community or with their friends. You can search out comments from friends or comments from the entire community. It's good for book enthusiasts, also good for literature students wanting to cram a book for an exam without actually having read the thing. Bell Labs envisages this application being mobile network specific and over the top, with extra context features being available to network users, thus driving new customers.
This application will be delivered either by telcos, for some of them, or by other players. But what really matters for Alcatel-Lucent is the fact that the network will enable this type of social activity around the S-book. So typically, thanks to an application enablement layer, we provide to the book application the opportunity to know who is around, where the user is standing, what the social activity of the user, and so on and so on. So really, the telco will be a player in the value chain.
In video conferencing, researchers are working on total immersion. It sounds painful, but it's really about getting that feeling of being there, of virtual reality. Today, that needs lots of processor horsepower and a dedicated video suite. But sooner or later, it will be available on your laptop, and here's the sort of thing we're edging towards.
So, when I move my head, you just see my head moving. Okay.
Meanwhile, on the other side of the conversation, the camera has locked onto my face, enabling me to move in and out or from side to side, automatically controlling my perspective of the room. Even in this crude demo form, it works, and it does begin to give you an idea of that immersive feeling. So there you have it. That was a day well spent at Bell Labs, south of Paris. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.